Hello class. So in this session we will be discussing about the external environmental factors. So it is beyond the control of the management. Now here the factors again divided into two parts, that is micro factors and macro factors. Means micro means it is the immediate environment or industry environment. Next one is the macro factors or remote environmental factors. So in this session we'll be discussing on the micro factors affecting the business. So micro environment is also known as task environment or operating environment, where you will be having a direct connection with all these elements. So it consists of the factors in the organization's immediate environment which affect the performance of the firm or organization. They comprise of the following. So these are the factors are affecting the business operations from the micro level. So those are suppliers, customers, competitors, market intermediaries like wholesale agents or retailers or other merchandisers. Next, the financiaries who financially support. It may be the banks or other financial institutions. And finally, the general public. So this can be understood with the example of one supply chain model. So first I think the company will be there. Assume that, for example, you are a manufacturer of automobiles, especially the four wheelers. If you consider like Tata Motors or Maruti Suzuki, so any company. So let us take one automobile company here. Now first I think you have the uh, first component is your suppliers. So you require number of raw materials here to manufacture vehicles. So you require rubber, means the tires you require the engines. So you can make a list of various products to manufacture the vehicles. So this will be the first component, suppliers. Second one, financiaries. Financiaries means develop for your business purpose. Definitely you need finance, you need funds. So that's why you need the requirement of the capital or funds. So banks or financial institutions or venture capital will come here. So once you manufacture, then directly you can't give to your customers. So you require the help of the marketing intermediaries. So marketing intermediaries ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, like wholesale agents or distributors, or you know that vehicles directly you can't purchase from the factory. So the showroom dealers, especially the dealers, the retailers will come into picture here. So on behalf of the company they pass the finished product to the now customers will come here. So you can get the flow of your supply chain. So it will start from the suppliers, financiaries, then you will have your product with the help of intermediaries, you supply to your customers. Then in between you have lots of competitors here. ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರುತಿ ಸುಜುಕಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So there will be number of competitors. I think you need to face. So competitors, we can make a list. like Toyota will be there, Hyundai will be there, Volkswagen will be there. So some company they are manufacturing premium vehicles. So as well as there are some substitute products also available for the consumers here. Substitute product means yeah, four-wheelers fine. Otherwise, for the transportation purpose, the customers they no need to only purchase the four-wheelers. They may go with the motorcycles. So depending upon the requirement, there are various substitute products are available ultimately to meet the primary need of the customers. So you need to face the threat from the substitute product. Then finally, there will be general public, like media will be there, regulatory authorities will be there, consumer forums will be there. So all these components will be coming in micro environmental factors. So this is actually explained through Porter, Michael Porter 5 force model, also known as the 5 force model, like threat of the new entrants like competitors, or threat of the substitute product, and the competitors, industry rival, and the suppliers. So their bargaining power, and the buyers, ultimately the consumers, their bargaining power. So all these forces will be considered as 5 force model given by Michael Porter. So to remember this, we can link to your Panchabhutas. So how the human body is made through Panchabhutas. So it may be the earth or space or fire or air or water. So each force we can remember. So the threat of new products or the new entrants, then threat of substitute product, or the intensity of the competition or rivalry, then the bargaining power of the buyers and bargaining power of the suppliers. Now each points will be discussed in brief. So Michael Porter, very famous management consultant, so he developed this model in 1979 and popularly known as Porter 5 force model. So here he focused on 5 elements here. So if that 5 forces are intense, so almost no company in the industry earns attractive return on investment. So if you get definitely the 5 forces very intensely, so it's difficult to make profit or to have a attractive return on your investment. So if the forces are mild, there is a room for some kind of higher return. So let us have a discussion on each forces. First one is the competitive rivalry. So rivalry is, you know, that it's the act of competing for the same thing against the another person. So it is nothing but your competitors here. So organization must be aware of its competitors' marketing strategies and their pricing, and also be reactive to the any changes they are making. So as per the CEO of Coca-Cola, once upon a time he told that the threat for their business is not the real competitors for their business is not Pepsi or it's not any other soft drink companies. The real competitor is the water, because ultimately to fulfill your thirst, the people are going for the drinks. So here we can see that how the competitive rivalry will affect your operations. So you need to see that the number and strength of the competitors, how many number of competitors will be there in your industry. You need to see how many rivals do you have at present and who are they, and the quality of their product and services. So all this groundwork is required to face the competition. So if the rivalry is intense means actually if there is number of competitors and they are coming aggressively, so your strategy will be like aggressive price cut as well as high impact marketing campaign. Means you need to go for some discount and other rebates you need to give for your customers. So if the rivalry is minimal, if there is no competitors, so it will be very tremendous strength and definitely you will get high profit. So you can see that in film industry nowadays I think there may be a tug of war between the various stars. You know that. So it may be the Sudeep or Darshan or Puneet or Yash. So I think you're very familiar with this industry. So there is a competition between these stars. But one kind of healthy competition will be there. So all are supportive to each other. So in the corporate level, the competition is there between these companies in the uh, healthcare, means especially the toothpaste. So competitive rivalries for Colgate product. So it may be the Patanjali or Dabur or maybe the Pepsodent or Close Up, or we can see that the Sensodyne or Oral-B. So all these are the competitors for Colgate. So here just we have a glance on the brief levels of competitors. So competitors can be classified on the basis of the competition. It may be the desired competition, generic competition, or product form competition, then finally the brand competition. So here generic competition means it's in general actually. So when the competition is in between recognition of your primary needs. So for example, you can see that a Volkswagen, a premium automobile company, so that company is competing uh, with other companies. Maybe they are selling not only the automobiles, but also ultimately it is a competition for the consumers dollars, consumers money. So consumer can opt like they can go for like purchasing some other durables, or they can purchase jewelries, or you can go for vacation tours, or you can have a new home. So generic competition means so many primary needs consumers are having. So competition between those firm in recognition of that particular need, that is called as generic need. Second one is actually desired competition will come here. So this type of competition is between the product and services which are thought for doing investment. So here the customers are having options based on their income, they can go for their desires. Next one is the product form competition. So now here competition is between the same type of wants. For example, if you require like vehicles, so the competition between, you can see that the farm competition means, so you can go for trucks or you can go for bicycles. So the customers is having option. Then finally we have a brand competition here. So competition between the two brands which are satisfying the primary and secondary need here. So if you take that Volkswagen company into example, so the competition between Volkswagen may be like Mercedes or Hyundai. So the brand competition. So how to tackle with this particular what is that intensity of competition? So two ways are very important. One is product differentiation as well as product innovation. So don't go for producing a similar type of product. So have differentiation in all your strategies. And second one is the threat of substitute product. So substitute product, you know that. So substitute product are those product or different goods actually uh, at least partly satisfy the same need of the consumers. So therefore can be used to replace one another. So very familiar example is for substitute product like the tea substitute can be considered as substitute for coffee. So substitute product uses a different technology to try to solve the same economic need. So sometimes I think the consumer, if substitute is available at a very reasonable price and if it fulfill the same desire, so the consumer maybe go for substitute product. So there will be threat from the substitute product. This refers to the customers has the choice to buy the substitute product, and a substitution that is very easy and cheap can weaken your position and it will be a threat to your profitability. So suddenly in the market, you know that if petrol price goes up, so definitely I think there will be demand for the diesel vehicles because these are the substitute product. So in our industry, you know that the uh, serial stars maybe nowadays they are coming to the mainstreams, and in some film they are taking a main role. So to the main industries main hero, we can see that these are the stars can be considered like a substitute. Next example you can see that, so for Colgate already we discussed the competitors, but here these product can be considered as substitute product. So tooth powder you can opt, or you can go for like a neem stick or charcoal, very traditional the dental cleaner item, and as well as salt and so many other natural what is that the products also we can use instead of going for the Colgate. So how company can tackle here? So by being a service oriented rather than just product oriented. So you need to attract the customer, what is that mindset, and the buyer switching cost also very important. So if a buyer's switching cost is high, then definitely the customer will not opt a substitute product. Fine. And third one is threat of the new entry. It is very important. So suddenly there will be new entry in your industry. So all these are forms of competition only. So new entry is a term that describe market participant that have recently entered a market or industry sector. So with reference to the political party, we can see that Aam Aadmi Party will be the new entrant. So already I think the Indian National Congress and BJP were the two national level parties they are leading, and there were many regional parties. But surprisingly, in India, I think the threat of new entrants came from like Aam Aadmi Party. So profitable industry that yield high returns will attract new entities actually. So definitely, in which industry there will be no much entry barriers. So definitely there will be a high new entry, and new entrants eventually will decrease profitability for other firms in the industry. So we can see that how Jio will be the new entry for all these existing players in the telecom industry. So once upon a time I think Airtel, maybe the Idea Cellular or MTS, Vodafone, Docomo, and we had Reliance Communication also. And suddenly I think Jio entered the market with the Reliance industry, and we can see that how there will be a competition. So how you can tackle the new entrants? So by innovating new product and services, and by building economies of scale, means uh, you should put a entry barrier so that the new entrants will not come your industry, and building capacities, spending money on research and development, so that I think you can come with the innovative products. And fourth one, the bargaining power of the buyers, customers here. So in the micro level, customers are very important force here. So we know that buyer is a person who contracts to acquire an asset or service in return for some form of consideration. Means there should be a transaction and consideration should pay in return. So here when you deal with only few customers here, so you have the power, but your power increases if you have many customers. So for example, if you are a supplier of very rare products, so in that case what will happen? Bargaining power will be rest with the company here, because there will be no other suppliers. So here whenever I think only uh, a few customers will be there, so company is having a more bargaining power here. But when the customers are in large numbers, so in that case bargaining power will be rest with the buyers here. And there is one threat from the buyers is the forward backward integration. So backward integration means actually what will happen here? Instead of purchasing from the other companies, so buyers what they will do? They start manufacturing. So for example here, automobile industry, for example, I think they are the buyers for some other tire manufacturing company. So now what they will do? Instead of purchasing tires from other suppliers, so they are starting their own tire manufacturing company. So in that case, buyers will be posing some threat, and that is called as a backward integration. So Netflix incorporation nowadays, you know that. So their original business is to market the DVDs and what is that, the films and serials to other companies. But recently, what they are now doing, they are having their own channels and they are only developing in their platform. So bargaining power of the buyers can be tackled when I think buyers are very price sensitive. And when good quality products you are offering, definitely I think no buyers can pose threat. And when you give a better customer service. And next, the last force is the supplier bargaining power. So supplier, we know that is a person or organization that provides something needed, such as product or services. So this is determined how easy to have a supplier. So for your suppliers to increase their prices. Now here it is better to have a multiple source, because you require regular supply. So regular, adequate and reliable supply of raw materials and components ensures continuity of production and makes inventory management quite economical. And if there is irregularity in the supply, it will cause for your problems. So suppliers will also threat some integration, that is called as forward integration. So number of potential suppliers and uniqueness of the product or services that they provide. For example, I think if the product is very unique and it is scarce and only few suppliers are supplying, so definitely the bargaining power will be rest with the suppliers here, and switching cost is very high. So when for the company, when there is a more choice of suppliers, the company has an alternative choice and the company position is stronger. And when you are having a fewer supplier, stronger supplier position, so bargaining power will rest with the supplier here. So if you connect to our film industry, Sandalwood, so I think the two figures, popular figures we can see, one is Prem and another one is Rishabh Shetty. Actually, they are the director in our industry, but recently now what they are doing, they are uh, coming to the main roles. So in many films, you can see that they will be taking the position of heroes. So what will happen now? Actually, it's one kind of a forward integration. So how can a company tackle the bargaining power of the suppliers? So by building efficient supply chain with multiple suppliers. So always it is not advisable to depend only on one supplier, and developing dedicated suppliers whose business depends upon the firm. So some kind of a tie-up is required here. So Walmart and Nike is how these companies developed third-party manufacturers, so whose business solely depends upon them. And finally, the rest of the what is that element in micro level factors like marketing intermediaries. So we know that the firms that aid the company in promoting, selling, and distributing its product to the final buyers. So marketing intermediaries ಅಲ್ಲಿ agents ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, physical distributing firms will come like a transportation cargoes will come, then marketing service agency will come like ad agency will come here, research firm will come, and financial intermediaries will also come. So all these are coming under marketing intermediaries. And finally the public people who have either potential or actual interest in business is called as public. So again divided into four component here. Public, like a media, very important role now they are playing. Regulatory authorities, like for example we are having in India like SEBI, as well as the pollution control board. So the government authorities they are there. And CAG, actually the citizen consumer and civic action group, the consumer forums to protect the interest of the consumers. And finally the general public. So these are the forces identified by Michael Porter, as well as these are the component of the micro level factors. Thank you.